I'm walking out the back of one of arguably the best properties right here in St. Augustine. I'm walking out back on the dock. You've got the no profile boat lift, the Atlantic Ocean straight out, the Intracoastal, Porpoise Point, Conch Island, the lighthouse, Bridge of Lions, the fort. Everything is in your backyard. This home has been extensively renovated all in 2020 at an 11-foot elevation. You've got the no profile boat lift, the infinity pool. Every detail has been accounted for and no stone has been left unturned. This is 35 Mulberry Street, the most unique property here in St. Augustine. Let's go check it out. As you enter, it's a beautiful, inviting space. The first floor is mapped out perfectly. And as you enter, you've got beautiful views of the Atlantic Ocean, the Intracoastal. So you've got this beautiful natural light flowing in. Living room, super comfortable and flows perfectly into the dining room, which is a statement piece in my opinion. The kitchen, tastefully renovated. Everything in here has been renovated in 2020. Beautiful stone countertops, stainless steel Wolf appliances. You get the Sub-Zero fridge, tons of cabinet space, beautiful island, plenty of storage. And as you come up here, I would call this kind of the game room, a second living room. It's ample in space. It's beautifully laid out. You've got beautiful greenery off to my right. Great natural light coming in here. So it's a cozy, comfortable, spacious room. Coming up to the second floor, bedrooms are going to be up here. Really beautiful, nice high ceilings. You've got a bedroom, full bathroom, another bedroom behind you with a half bathroom and laundry. I want to take you into the primary room because this is stunning. Waking up every single morning to incredible ocean views, watching the tide change, fish jumping, dolphins out swimming, huge spacious deck, wake up with your morning coffee, catch the sunrise. The ensuite has a double vanity. The stone matches the kitchen countertops. Nice, beautiful custom tile work, gorgeous soaking tub, very peaceful, incredible morning routine. And you just can't get over the views and the privacy in this home. You've got a gorgeous screened-in lanai and a stunning luxury infinity pool, the hot tub jacuzzi. Off to my right, you've got an incredible outdoor shower. I'd say one of a kind, arguably. But imagine waking up every single day to this beautiful sunrise over the water. They say proximity is power for a reason. You are walkable to literally everything St. Augustine has to offer, and you get the views to really wrap and tie this place up. I appreciate you watching this private property tour, but you have to see this home in person. Contact the Newcomer Group for a private tour exclusively for you. Again, my name's Newcomer with the Newcomer Group, where exceeding your expectation is our standard.